Hi friends, in this video we'll see about YouTube Shorts and how it will benefit small YouTubers. YouTube Shorts is the new feature YouTube has released. It's similar to TikTok and Instagram Reels. For a YouTube video to be considered as YouTube Short, it has to be less than 60 seconds and the video has to be vertical. In Reels and TikTok the video could have been square, but here it has to be vertical, otherwise that video will be considered as normal YouTube video and not YouTube Shorts. But there are websites and apps that will convert square videos to vertical videos, so you can convert your square videos to vertical videos and upload. YouTube Short is made available for many users, and you can check whether YouTube Short feature is enabled to your channel by clicking on the plus mark on your YouTube. If you get this create a short option, that means YouTube Short is enabled for your mobile and for your channel. Now to upload a video to your shorts, click on this create a short, allow access, and you can either create shorts directly or upload a video from your gallery. You can create a short by recording video and then click next and add music and then just upload. Or you can directly click on this upload, select a file, click next and click on upload. If you don't get this short feature here, you can still upload a video and in the title and description give a hashtag #shorts. That will make YouTube show your videos under shorts. Now to see short videos, you have to either click on top or you get short videos on your mobile. Short videos are visible only on mobile phones and not on laptops. Anyway, 90% of YouTube users are on mobile, so it doesn't matter even if it's not shown on laptop. Now why YouTubers with less subscribers should create YouTube Short is because I've seen too many users with less subscribers have too many views from shorts. Now for example, this user Mahendra Patil, he has only 1.79k subscribers, but his short has 3.2 million views. Even my channel, which has more than 12,000 subscribers, doesn't have this many views in total for all my 100 videos. He would have got all the subscribers from this one single video. The same will be true for other videos as well. So you see, it's YouTube Shorts is very helpful to grow your channel. So don't miss this opportunity. Monetization is not available for shorts yet. You can't monetize videos that are marked as shorts. YouTube says in future it might enable monetization for these features, but the subscribers that you get and the watch time both will be considered for your monetization limits. If even in shorts you get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch time, your monetization will be enabled and you can monetize from your other YouTube videos. That's the key difference between Reels, TikTok and YouTube. In Reels and TikTok, you will not be able to monetize. You have to use influencer marketing. But with Shorts, YouTube will pay you for your other videos. Hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share and subscribe. See you in another video soon. Have a nice time.